Get those toys. Hello, hello, everyone. Say hi, puppies. Get the donut. Get the donut. I am here with Rosita and Paddington's mini Goldendoodle babies. This is an red English cream litter. And this is our puppy picking video. So I am just going to go through these guys real quick. It looks like Black always does a poop here, right? Or potty. Good job. Good job. He always goes to the bathroom at the beginning of the video. Anyway, I'm going to go through everybody, let you watch them. I know we just had a video, but I always like to make sure you see them as close as possible to our actual picking time. This is a virtual picking. So picking is done on, let me wipe this off, make sure that you guys have a good... There we go. It seemed a little cloudy. Make sure you guys have everything that you need, and picking will be done based on video and pictures. Sorry, I can't talk today. All right, we're going to go ahead and go through the babies. There's 4 boys, 1 girl, and a cat. That's Legolas. Hey, buddy. He's a munchkin. Okay. This is Black Collar Boy. And of course, my littles are here. Black Collar Boy. Everybody is a soft cotton wavy, except for yellow. And we'll see him in just a second. Next up, let's do green. Dark green collar boy. Little darker red. He's the darkest red. And then here's our yellow collar boy. He is the lightest color, so we call him an apricot. And he is the curly coat with a little touch of fleece in there. And let's get orangey. Here is orange collar boy. And he is another darker one. Not quite as dark as green. Let me see if I can get them here together. Green is just a little darker. And then we have our one girl. Purple collar girl. And she is the first pick of the litter. The second pick is, I believe right now, talking between green and black. And I think the third pick is also talking between green and black. Of course, anything can happen on picking day. So that's just some of the preferences that I've been told. As far as pickup, I wanted to touch on that real quick before I do anything else. I will be meeting one person halfway, or one person wants to meet halfway down towards the Houston, or it would be halfway between here and Houston. I need at least 2 people before we can travel and meet. So if anybody else in this litter wants to do the meetup, let me know, and we will go ahead and plan that. Otherwise, I know a lot of people end up planning on driving up Friday and staying over and then driving back on Sunday. So that way everybody can plan, since pickup is just 2 weeks away, guys. Can you believe that? I mean, a little on the crazy side how fast this is gone. All right, sorry, my phone went off there. Just wanted to touch real quick on temperament testing. I do this video before I send out temperament testing results. So I usually, if people don't pay attention to that, they're like, well, I get a lot of texts. Where are the temperament testing results? I send out the video first, and then I give you guys a link to it in your temperament testing results. So if you see the video and you don't have your results, it's just that I haven't sent them out yet. Hang tight, and I will get those to you. Temperament testing results will be, it'll be late Wednesday when you guys get them. So late meaning probably closer to, 8, 9 o'clock at night, that type of thing. But anyway, that'll give you all that you need to know about, as kind of we've gone through coloring, and a little bit about each one's personality, their estimated mature size, and then also just kind of let you know what environment is best suited for these puppies. Understand we do breed for uniformity. So your puppies are going to be all fairly similar, but you're going to have a couple with just some little differences. For instance, like little green collar boy, he can act a little more reserved, not shy, but a little more reserved. So he's not going to always be the first one to run up to strangers. But he's probably he and purple collar are probably the only two that I see that act a little reserved if they see somebody new. That doesn't mean that they're going to be shy. They warm up really, really fast. These two have always been right there, ready to go with you. Yeah. And orange collar boy is a little more of one of those that can do his own thing. He likes to be held. He likes to be with people, but he also is pretty happy doing his own thing. Are you going to get the puppy? Are you going to? So this is a munchkin cat. They have very short legs. So he's not crouched down. Those are the size. Those are the length of his legs. Anyway, he's finding, new with puppy. Anyway, all right, guys, I'm going to let you guys watch them. Ow, ow, no, ow. Yeah, that hurt. That hurt. It's okay. It's all right. I'm okay. All right, I'm going to let you guys watch them, and then I will be texting you at your picking time. Sometimes we run a little early when everybody knows their choice already, but I will text you, and I will also be texting all the owners as puppies are chosen, so you know what puppies are chosen first and what's remaining. All right, guys, we will see you on Saturday.